Here's baby boy sitting up all by himself. See? Ooh, you're a little wobbly. Look at that. Mommy's not holding you. No, I don't want you to get the camera. Look, Mommy, no hands, no hands. Look at you. You're getting to be a big boy, Grayson. Your hair needs fixed. You and your hair. Look at you, baby boy. Look at that. Where's Daddy? You gotta get Daddy to see this, huh? You know. See, and then you'll lean forward and then sit back up. Look at you. Good job, Grayson. Oh, now you're going to go forward a little bit. Look at you. Let's see if Mommy can scoot back a little bit. Oh. There you go. Say hi, everybody. I'm a big boy. Smiles. Ooh.